3D Photos. How to use the tool. Browse the images in Film Strip or Grid View, choose from a list of categories, or use search terms to find images. Insert into mozaBook. Insert images into your exercise book and save the current tool content. Let's find out how to use the 3D Photos tool. Put on anaglyph, red and cyan glasses. Click on the arrows to view the next or the previous image. Use the slider to zoom in on the image. You can also zoom in on the image if you click on it. You can browse the thumbnail images in Film Strip or Grid View. You can choose images from various categories. You can also click on this icon to open the list of categories. Enter a search term in the search field. Click here to see a short description of the image. You can also drag the image to the side to browse images. Click on the description to hide it. Insert or drag and drop an image into your exercise book. Insert into mozaBook as you wish. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.